Hey, first grade, we're going to do early birds number 7 today. So let's get to it. Well, it would help if Miss Dudley shared her screen first. Yeah, definitely. There we go. Okay, so this is what number 7 looks like. All right. So the first one says, circle the word that matches the picture. Is that a picture of a sun, or a bun? Definitely a sun. Circle that. Okay. The second picture, is that a picture of a sock or a lock? A sock or a lock? Sock. Hopefully it's clean and washed. Okay, did that person, trying to think of how to word that. Did that person sat or pat? Because you would usually say, does that person sit? But sat, that person sat. Okay, the second part, it says this is a complete sentence. You've got a capital letter. It makes sense. It says he can play ball. And it's got a period. Write an X at the beginning of the sentence. Where's the beginning of the sentence? What word is the beginning of the sentence? He. That's at the beginning. So it says write an X at the beginning of the sentence. We could have written it right above. We could have written it right below. We could have written it right beside. That's just how Miss Dudley did it. No big deal. Okay, sentences begin with a capital letter. Anne ran to the sandbox. We got a lot of and sounds going on in here. Anne ran to the sandbox. So let's trace over this in our nicest, neatest handwriting. There goes my phone, but it's okay. I always capitalize the beginning sentence at the beginning of the sentence, and that's also somebody's name. So we capitalize that. And ran to the sandbox. Trace over that period. You gotta have practice doing that. All right. Color the and words green. Let's see. Let's move that so I can get to my pen color. Green. Okay. The and words need to be green. So, can. We color that one green. You can also, my pen kind of covers it up, but with your crayons, you can also do this. That's fine. Sat. Is that an and word family? Sap. Sap comes from a tree. It's a sticky stuff that you don't want on you because it's hard to get off. Sap. Nope, that's not an and word family. Fan. Yep. Color that one green. Fan. Okay. Mad. Nope, doesn't have an at the end. Rad. Nope. Tan. Yes, we color that one green. Tan. What about cap? Nope. Ran. He ran home. What about man? Yep. So our words were I think that was can. Studley might need to erase it to see. Yep. So our words are can, fan, tan, ran, man. And what do you notice about all those words? They all rhyme because they all have an at the end. They all have an. All right. So I'm going to go back to my black. Okay, so this part right here, this is all about the number 6. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? 5. Then we have 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 comes before 6, 7 comes after. Then we need to write the number word. Again, if you were in my classroom, you'd have that on the wall, or you'd have a spelling dictionary to help you. But let's sound it out. We can do this. So 6. S, 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 s. S, s, I, I, I. What makes that noise? I, I. I, x, 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 6. Perfect. We have an X. S-I-X says 6. Okay, tally marks. We did tally marks a little bit last week. And remember, I always said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. But we have more than 5 on this one. We have 6 here. 5 or 6 is one more than 5, so we have to draw one more tally mark. That way we'll know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what's 6 plus 1? If I have 6 plus one more finger, I have, we know from last week, this is 5, and we can count on from 5. So 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, 6 plus 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 3 gives me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 6 plus 4 gives me, how many fingers do we have? We have 5, 10 fingers. We're counting by 5, so it's 10. Remember, we did say last week, look, they're saying 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4. They're going up 1 every time they add. So your answer is going to go up 1 too. All right, we need to count the total number of apples. We have 3 apples plus 3 apples gives me how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 gives me 6. All right, we'll count the squares. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Count the squares. There's only 1. And we draw more squares in here. So what number is more than 1? Every other number but 1 and 0. So we could draw 2 squares in here. We could draw 3 squares. We could draw 4 squares. We could draw 5. We could draw 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as many squares as we wanted, as long as it was 2 or more. All right, color the shorter feather. Let's color it yellow. Let's just say shorter feather. Which one's shorter? Definitely this one. It is shorter. It's not as long as this one. Okay, there is early bird number 7. You guys have a great afternoon, and we will see you again on your Zoom call.